Oh, let me try one thing, Dad. I know this is just. Oh wow, I didn't expect it. So we're on 5 cent now. I wanted to just try. Oh yeah, yeah.
Shut up.
Y'all remember? Gotta change up the D-nom.
Every now and then you got.
That's it.
Just Ray gonna know what he doing.
All right, y'all gonna dabble. Have $5 free play here at the Hard Rock in Tulsa. Putting a hundo in. Let's see what we can do.
10 cent D-nom?
Yeah, you know it. All right, y'all gonna do some 750 and 1250. So I'm just gonna jump from one to the other. Come on, baby. All we need, y'all, is just to get 6 of those moons. Well, 3 of those blue moons. There's 6 of the regular ones. Yeah. Come on.
Well, you got one.
Yep, need more.
Got some cars.
All right, $5. Tell you what, let me do this. Not that I'm working with a big budget on this play, but $6.25 and $12.50. Hey, you gotta try something different. A little love there. Do another $6.25. $12.50. Come on, baby. Oh, that's it.
Oh, wait a minute.
Oh, okay.
I'll put one in there.
Okay, you too. Yeah, 5 more minutes. Yeah, all we need is 5 more minutes. All right. Yeah, let's go back to 10 cent. 750 and 1250, y'all. It's 200 in. Oh, that would have been nice.
Thank you.
1250. Come on, moon race. Yeah! Got the bonus.
She said, okay, 5 minutes.
All right, y'all. So this could be good. Let's drop some color. Let's see what we can do. All right, y'all. Drop some color or some big numbers. I see that miner going by. Look at Dad.
Come on, baby. Drop something.
Yeah. Oh, almost had the miner.
That mini dancing around too.
It's giving 1X's. Let's do some. Oh, yeah.
Touched
Got
it, baby.
the
miner. Got a mini and a minor.
Another miner. Hey, y'all remember what we did in Vegas?
Come on, baby, do it.
Oh,
That's another
come on, baby. Now we need a major. Let's get the trifecta, y'all.
Come on, Major.
Look at that finesse. Oh, I saw it. I saw it. Okay. Y'all, things is getting real.
Come on, that minor.
Oh, yeah.
Come
All
on,
right,
son.
y'all. This is face worthy. This is definitely face worthy.
y'all.
We're doing our thing, y'all. It's getting crazy over here. Let's see what we can do. Right, Tulsa, you turned it around. Come on, Dad. Don't do that. Come on, baby. Oh, if it does, we're walking out of here in great shape. Boom!
Ain't nothing like that.
That's
Pretty good. That's close.
7.
That's close, son.
That could be handpaid. It's close.
Get your idea.
No, I don't think it is though. I think it's right under the curve. Right under the curve. Yeah, that is what I'm talking about, right, Dad? Let's see your face. Hey, Finesse Eddie, how you doing?
We got some pretty good footage, didn't we?
Yeah, we sure did. Dun-a-nine, dun-a-nine, dun-a-nine,
Come on, let's go.
nine.
Yeah,
Shout out to Angie. All right, here we go. We gotta go. Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
look at that.
are you sure you want to go? Because it's always like that, y'all. You start hitting money. Look at Oh, a couple more. 11 hundo. That's what we'll do. 11 hundo. Oh, let me try one thing, Dad. I know this is just. Oh wow, I didn't expect it. So we're on 5 cent now. I wanted to just try. Oh yeah!
Shut up.
Y'all remember? Gotta change up the denom.
Every now and then you gotta
That's it.
If this Rickle know what he's doing.
Yep. Let's see what we can do. So is it time to go, or what do y'all think? No. Imagine if we didn't do backup spins, Dad.
We would have got that major. Come on, baby, lay in something.
Save it, baby. Oh, such a good bonus.
Look at that ticket.
The way to do it. Look at that major. Yeah. All right, let's add it up, y'all. Let's add it up. And I gotta do backup spins. No. They gotta wait. We gotta All right, here we go. 2,000. Here, let me do 3 backups here, and then I need to go up to 10 cent and just do 3 over there at least. Actually, Dad, I'm feeling like a couple $25 spins.
Go ahead.
Come on, baby.
Look at that.
Ooh, it's hot.
Big ass orbs.
Listen to Dad. Go to 18. We'll go to 18. Here, let me do 12.50 and 25. How about that? Yeah! Yeah! That's what I'm saying. It's not time to go. It's not time to. Y'all, that's a $25 spin. That's max bet bonus. Let's see what we can do. 125 minor. Yeah. Y'all, we are building the fattest ticket.
Come on, son.
Save it, baby. Oh, it was in there too.
It went real close.
I gotta stick with the same pattern, Dad. It's just doing it.
I think. You're real close, son.
Right under the curve again.
Look at that ticket.
Look at that ticket, y'all. $3,000 ticket. Let's do a couple backups, y'all, and then I'm gonna go back to 5 cents. Same story. That's a good hit. 120. All right, let's do this. You know I gotta try it. All right, back to 5 cent. What do you think? I'm almost tempted to just pull out 3K. I think that's it. Let's do it, y'all.
Pull out 3K. There you go. That's
Y'all, this was an amazing session. It is time though. What? Oh, we got to call a tenant to get our money. That's how good it was, y'all. FNS Eddie, how you feeling?
Oh, they say it's a hand.
I know, but it's not. No, it's not. They're just going to give us our cash. All right, y'all. Hey, we hope you enjoyed the session. We want to thank y'all for watching.
We'd like to thank you very much for watching. Oliver, speak. Remember, this channel is all about your subscriber requests. So please hit that subscribe button. Oliver, pop, and leave your request in the comments below. All right, thank you guys.